In this video, we're diving deep into the wisdom of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. We'll uncover the 5 things you need to stop doing right now to break free from the cycle of financial struggle and start building lasting wealth. So, grab your notepads, because we're about to unlock some game-changing insights. 1. Ignoring your financial education. Alright, let's kick things off with a big one. One of the biggest reasons many of us stay poor is because we neglect our financial education. Warren Buffett is a living example of how knowledge is power. He's known for spending most of his time reading and learning about investments. So, stop ignoring those books on personal finance and investing. They might just be the key to unlocking your financial potential. D2. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Hands up if you've ever fallen for a get-rich-quick scheme. Raising one hand, we've all been there, but it's time to break free from this mentality. Warren Buffett teaches us that wealth is built patiently and steadily. So, stop chasing those shiny shortcuts and start focusing on smart, long-term investments that align with your goals. 3. Neglecting the power of savings. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This is a golden rule for financial success. If you're not saving consistently, it's time for a change. Cut out those unnecessary expenses and start building an emergency fund and investing for your future. Your future self will thank you. 4. Fear of failure and taking calculated risks. Let's talk about fear. Fear of failure, fear of losing money, these can hold us back from making smart financial decisions. But guess what? Warren Buffett encourages calculated risks. He's famous for saying, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." So, stop letting fear dictate your choices, and start educating yourself about the investments you're making. 5. Trying to time the market. Last but not least, the market timing myth. Warren Buffett advises against trying to predict market trends. Even he admits he can't time the market perfectly. Instead of jumping in and out of investments based on short-term fluctuations, focus on the long-term value of your investments. Stop trying to time the market and start thinking like a long-term investor. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, 5 powerful lessons from Warren Buffett that can help break the cycle of financial struggle and set you on a path toward lasting wealth. Remember, these changes won't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right mindset, you can transform your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more actionable financial insights.